It is regrettable that we so often hear it said that young people get themselves into situations of trouble and difficulty simple because they do not know how to spend their time usefully and happily. Full stop. This is a very poor state of things when we consider for a moment how many useful and pleasurable things there are for us to do today. Full stop. There are many happy ways of passing the time, comma, both at home and out of doors. Full stop. There are things we can do to help ourselves and, comma, equally important or even more important, comma, there are many things we can do to help our others. Full stop. Next stanza. When I was growing up, there was no TV, but we had a radio set and, comma, of course, comma, we had records. Full stop. These were the old kind of record now known as 78, comma, and one side of a record played for about 2.5 minutes. Full stop. My mother liked all of the family to be at home on Sunday evenings, comma, she did not like us to go out, but we were free to ask to the house any of our friends. Full stop. The number of young people who sat down at table for the evening meal was sometimes 20 and was always more than 12, comma, so we were a large and happy party. Full stop. It became our custom, comma, when the meal was at an end, comma, to continue to sit round the table for an hour or two while records were played. Full stop. The machine was not of the electric save you trouble kind that we now use, but had a motor that required attention at the end of each side of a record, comma, and, comma, of course, comma, it played only one record at a time. Full stop. This meant that one of our number had to take on the responsibility of keeping the machine going and putting on the records. Full stop. My father used to bring home a new record most weekends, comma, so that we had a good many. Full stop. People used to call out for a record they desired to hear, comma, and no one seemed to want to talk while the record was playing, as is done so often now. Full stop. Therefore, comma, we were able to hear the records in peace, comma, and we got to know every details of them, full stop. Next stanza. We all loved this hour or two of record playing very much, comma, and I know that it lives in the memories of all who were present on those things, full stop. We had a very good time at very little cost, comma, and no one had the smallest desire to go out and make life difficult for some other person, full stop. On the Saturday evenings we generally had a party also, comma, but they were much more free and easy, comma, and were certainly not planned with the idea of having a peaceful time, full stop. We always asked the people next door to come to the parties so that they would not be upset by the sounds that without doubt issued from our house, full stop. What a good time we used to have, sign of exclamation, and it was a good time in which the whole family and any of their friends who wished to play a part, full stop. I expect my mother had to work hard on Fridays, comma, but we all did something to help, full stop. And there is no doubt that everyone seemed to like those weekends, full stop.